Hello and welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about some basic Tai Chi exercises. So Tai Chi is pretty well renowned for all of its amazing health benefits, but it's also a little bit complicated sometimes. So I'm going to take some of the Tai Chi classics and break them down into smaller pieces so that you get a good solid start to your Tai Chi practice. So this first movement, we're going to have our feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. We'll take a moment to align between the earth and the sky, align the breath, and align the mind. And now let's bring our hands together and we're going to rub them. And now let's open the hands side to side and softly push back together. Leave a little space between the hands. And again, open and push together. One more time. Open and together. Now we're going to bring one hand on top, one hand on bottom, just like we're still holding a ball between the hands. Knees are bent. And now, whichever elbow is on top, let's turn the body that way. Bring the ball to the side. We'll turn our ball over and then carry it across to the other side. And again, turn the ball over and carry it across. Turn the ball over and carry it across. Turn the ball over and carry it across. One more time, each side. Very peaceful, nice and easy. Let's turn the ball over and we'll come back to the center and relax. Okay, great. You just did your first Tai Chi exercise. So you'll notice that the two hands are doing two different things when we're doing this practice. And that's part of the magic of Tai Chi, is that the two hands are doing two different things, and it's really good for the brain plasticity. So now we're going to take this a little further. So just like we're bringing our ball to the side and then we're turning it over, we're basically going to do the same thing, except the two hands are going to pass each other, and then they come across. And then the two hands pass each other, and they come across. It's only a very small difference. They form the ball briefly, and then one pushes up, one pushes down, and they come across. One pushes up, one pushes down, and they come across. Okay? And so notice how you're kind of crossing, pushing the two hands in opposite directions at one side. This will be the short end of a rectangle. They come across. Here are the two long lines of the rectangle, and then they pass at the other side. Does that make sense? So you're kind of making a rectangle with the arms. They switch at the sides, and then they come across together. And again, make your movements comfortable. Make them small. So I like to keep my body within this like range of here so that I'm not twisting myself too much. And again, really focus on like the legs moving and turning from the legs. Does that make sense? So let's give it a try. We'll begin by rubbing our hands together. Let's inhale and open. Exhale, push together. One more time. Inhale, open. Exhale together. And now let's turn our ball over. Whichever arm is on top, let's carry the ball to that side. Now, let the two hands pass each other, and then carry the two hands across together. let the two hands pass and carry across together. And keep going. Two hands change places, and you can gaze at your palm as it passes. Two hands change places. Carry them both across together. Again, gazing at the palm. This is called waving the hands like clouds. So as you gaze at the palm as if it's passing like a cloud in the sky, you can find that place of cheerful indifference, happy just being. Let's do one more on each side. And then we'll come back to the center. Let's open and close again. One more. And then we'll push our hands forward and down, closing the feet. And then we'll shake the hands, shake the arms, shake the feet, shake the whole body. Okay, good.